XRP family, listen up. This guy is sharp, and one of the points he made really hit me. When the suppression on Bitcoin's price is finally lifted, it could already be sitting at 200 today. Now, people ask me all the time, Oscar, should I buy XRP right now? And my answer is always the same. Absolutely yes. Because whether it dips to 260 or 250, that doesn't bother me. That's just another chance to scoop up more before what's ahead of us. I want to share this short but powerful clip with you. It's a reminder that once the barriers are gone and this market is allowed to breathe, fortunes are going to be made. And if you're here because you want financial freedom, then smash that like button. Here's the truth. This year, we've had so much good news for crypto, but most of it has been swept under the rug. Think about it. Strategic Bitcoin reserves, the SEC backing off multiple lawsuits, progress on stablecoin regulation, talks on new market structure laws, even the White House Crypto Summit. These are massive developments. The kind of things that should already have Bitcoin sitting at 150K to 200K right now. But what happens in this space? The news comes and goes. People say, next, next, next. Everyone's waiting for the next big headline. Sure, we just had the FOMC meeting with rate cuts on the horizon, which is going to be a huge catalyst. But in reality, the big news is already here. We just need the market to finally recognize it. What's holding us back is short-term uncertainty in the global economy. That cloud is weighing heavy on crypto. But once it clears, once that suppression is lifted, I see Bitcoin smashing to new all-time highs and racing toward 200K by year's end. So what's the strategy? It's simple. Accumulate. Stack your bags. Don't overthink it. Some people will sell, and that's fine. But personally, I'm loading up XRP, Ethereum, Cardano, Algorand. This is where real wealth gets built. If you want to join me, check the first link in the description. Sign up on BTCC, start trading, and grab that bonus. This isn't a joke. The opportunities are right in front of us. The market is like a coiled spring. Once it snaps, the upside will be insane. Now, what else needs to happen for Bitcoin to hit 200K by the end of the year? Honestly, not much. We already have 3 unstoppable drivers: ETFs with massive inflows, corporations like MicroStrategy buying more and more, and soon enough, entire countries adding Bitcoin to their reserves. Demand is outpacing supply. It's just a matter of releasing that gloom over the economy, and when it happens, it's straight to the moon. And let's not forget, crypto adoption is outpacing the early internet. This thing is spreading globally at lightning speed. Every region, the US, China, the Middle East, is sprinting into the space. And the number one crypto everyone wants? Bitcoin. It's the digital gold, the hard asset. That's why big money keeps piling in. Now, yes, the guy I quoted earlier is a Bitcoin maxi. He throws shade at companies like Ripple. But here's the deal, you and I. We're XRP believers. We know the use case. We know the utility. We know what's coming. If Bitcoin's on track for 200K, then projects like XRP and other ISO 20,000 and 22 compliant assets are going to move even faster and hit harder. That's why it makes total sense to position yourself before it's too late. Speaking of positioning, shout out to the winner of my 2.0 XRP giveaway. September's giveaway is on the way to just 11 days left to get in. Now, let's talk about the Fed. Everyone's waiting on the FOMC decision. A cut is expected. If we get that cut, markets may not skyrocket instantly, but it'll spark a solid recovery and confidence that the Fed is finally shifting. If by chance they pause, expect pain. It'll be bloody for a while, but either way, I'm not selling. I'm preparing. And remember this, the Trump family has been getting deeper into crypto with major business moves. Love them or hate them, they have political reach, and no one is going to stop them from shaping the space in ways that benefit them and the industry. That influence is going to push adoption further, whether people like it or not. On top of all this, XRP futures are breaking records. According to CME data, it took just over 3 months for XRP contracts to hit 1 billion in open interest, the fastest ever. August saw 36 billion in volume across XRP, Ether, and other futures, and Brad Garlinghouse himself celebrated this milestone. Now, imagine what happens the moment we get the first US spot ETF for XRP. That's why I keep saying, don't leave this space yet. Stay strong, because better days are ahead. The fight's not over, and the rewards will be worth it. Thanks for tuning in, fam. I'll see you in the comments section. Stay ready, stay strong, and let's ride this wave together.